E benvenuto di Around the World. Sono io Arturo Sempre Duro, and with us is Andrea
whatever you
Camburn,
said.
the beautiful Andrea Camburn, because we're going to go to Italy now and talk about one of my favorite things on the planet, which are truffles.
Oh.
And joining us all the way from Italy in studio, just got in from Italy, is Marco Maroni. Ciao, Marco.
Ciao, ciao everybody.
Che bravo. Marco arrived last night from Italy, and he brought with him some fresh truffles.
Yes, correct.
You hunted these yourself, yes?
Yes, absurd.
Out of the ground, just earlier in the week.
Under the green, yeah, underground is very fresh.
Unbelievable. And
That is
I want you to
precious
see
cargo.
this. First, I'm going to show you the black truffle. This is what's in season right now in the winter. This is the famous black truffle. They called the Brigand Savarin, used to call it the diamond of the kitchen, because they cost like diamonds.
I was just going to say.
And you know, it looks like a bit like a black potato almost.
It looks like a little
Now
dog
sniff.
poopy.
No, well, I wasn't going to have a little sniff.
See?
Have a
Judging
little
from
sniff.
that. It doesn't smell like dog poopy. Oh, it smells very
Sweet.
sweet, kind of woodsy.
Woodsy, yes.
Outsidey.
Don't you feel like you're in the forest?
Oh, it
Yeah.
smells good.
Now, if you put this on eggs or on pasta or
Absolutely.
you know, the French cook it in bread too. They do a
And
truffe en
oils.
croûte.
Yeah,
Which is
but
nice
I
too.
prefer tagliatelle, tagliolini,
Yeah.
risotto is the best, I think, and truffle eggs omelette. Yeah, omelette too.
Wow, yeah,
All right,
yeah.
so that's the black truffle.
Now,
Yeah.
And by the way, the black truffle is precious, but there's even one that's higher. So if this was the diamond in the kitchen,
Right.
this is going to be the blue diamond
Yeah, sure,
or
sure,
something.
sure.
Maybe the white. I mean, it's
Oh my gosh.
this is the white truffle, and this is the season is over for white truffles, but this is the last one of the season.
It is a little bit different aroma.
Yeah. What'd you say? What does it remind you of?
It's a little bit more pungent. Is that right? Is that,
Yeah. I mean, almost
sure.
maybe garlic and
Yeah,
cheese.
so yeah, exactly,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
exactly.
Someone once said it reminded them of the bed sheets the morning after. I'm not sure after what.
I'm agree with you.
I don't want to be in bed with that guy. If my bed sheets
No.
smell like garlic, although
No.
that is good.
Now, what do you think? What do you think a truffle like this would cost?
I was just going to ask you because it's probably about
It's the size of a
3 inches, 4 inches
It's
in
like
diameter.
an oversized golf ball, right?
Oh,
two golf
man,
balls.
I would say
What would you think? Pick a number.
$900.
Oh, she's, we can impress her.
Not-
No, it's just a bargain. We're saying maybe according to our truffle guy in California,
Yeah.
if it was here, it would be about $600.
$600.
is a nice little
It's a
tasty
nice.
treat.
Amazing, huh?
Can you just eat them like that? I mean, I know.
No,
no, I
sure.
mean,
No.
You can't eat raw.
First of all, you have to wash to clean is important.
Of course.
I put it a nice brush. Look at guys, it's a dark brush, just to joke.
Because there's dirt. I mean, it comes out of the ground.
Of course, but I eat other mushrooms raw,
Yeah.
Yes,
but
Yeah.
not these.
but not this.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And mandoline is important.
Now, this is a truffle grater or mandoline, right?
Yeah, it's truffle slicer.
And,
Yeah.
and this, you notice, there's a little blade there.
Yes.
And what you do is you take the truffle and you shave it.
Okay.
Like you're shaving. There you go. See a little
Ah,
piece of that. Try that.
pieces.
Try that.
Can I?
Now, yeah. Now this is not. It's not been
Sure,
salted.
take it.
Yeah. Manja.
Okay.
Manja.
Okay. Manja.
Manja. And then you can
Taste,
You can
taste.
what's going on.
Enjoy it.
Now, what do you? What do
See,
you?
I could eat it like that. No.
Yeah, you could.
But I'm missing an opportunity to do something fabulous with it.
In tagliatelle is the step is over. It's
Yeah.
fantastic.
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
It's
And
wonderful.
now we're going to take a couple slices of the white one because the white one is also.
Am I going to get a bill for this?
Yeah, it's about $100 a slice. No. Now, see the difference?
You know what? I thought the white one was more pungent in its aroma.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I feel like it's a smoother taste.
Yeah, it's correct.
Right, is it?
It's correct. It's correct.
You're good.
Really?
Yeah. James Beard
That's
would be
good.
impressed.
That's very
Isn't that
good. That's
amazing?
very
Now
good.
imagine having that on pasta or a nice noodles with butter or risotto or
Yum.
that kind of thing.
Yes.
great.
Pretty great.
Yes.
So
And by the way, it's an aphrodisiac, so behave.
I'm going to take them away from you. 'Cause you don't need any more
don't need any more.
influences.
It's a taste present.
Now, Marco has a company which is called Villa Magna Tartufo, and you can find them online.
Tartufi.
Tartufi.
Yeah.
Tartufi.
Tartufi.
Is-
It's
is
Villa Magna MAGNA TARTUFI.com.
Okay.
Villa Magna Tartufi.com.
Yeah.
And this is what's exciting because
Yes.
you go to Italy Yeah, nice to go to a restaurant and have this served to you.
Of course.
But what would be more exciting than that? To go out and find it yourself.
Hunting, because that's so fascinating how that whole process works. I mean, I've seen documentaries on it and all, but you actually have a truffle farm where people can visit and go through the hunt?
Yes, it's correct. In my website, there is a page about truffle tour, my truffle experience. I want to share my love of truffle with you. I want to show my secret. Working in the forest, in the wood, hunting truffle with my trained dogs. It's a fantastic experience. I recommend it.
So these truffles grow naturally on your farm?
Naturally and cultivated.
Okay.
It's possible to reproduce the biological cycle with the tree.
See, now if you're watching the video, we're seeing the dog. He just found one near a tree. Look at the size of this
Oh
truffle.
my God.
Yeah, it's a
Ah.
400 grams. It's fantastic.
It's a huge
exemplar.
truffle.
Huge.
That's Marco's dad.
Ah,
And
And Laura, Lagotto Romagnolo, is
One
a
of the dogs.
famous dog.
and this truffle, I mean, this is a huge one. I mean, it's rare to find.
It's a rare. It's all in cultivated truffle beds.
Okay.
In nature, it was so difficult to find so big exemplars.
This is when I was with Marco in Tuscany, and we went into staying at a beautiful place called Castel
Monastero.
Monastero, which is not far from Siena, and the Castello had made arrangements for a truffle hunt, and we went in his four-wheel drive vehicle out into the forest with his beautiful dog Luna.
Luna, yes, the moon.
She's how old?
6.
6 years old.
Yeah.
And she is brilliant. She brings truffles to you in her mouth. He's just such a good hunter.
what
Look
a
at
great
the
partnership.
look at the treat that I have in my pocket.
Yeah.
The reward.
Yeah, you reward the dog with a little snack.
Do they hunt these naturally, or do you train them when they're very young to dig them
I
up to
trained
find
when
them?
I was very young. Started when they are 2 months and go on day by day, training day by day.
And what's the treat you give them?
It's a biscuit. It's
So they're not interested in the truffle once they find it.
No, they are interested
probably
in
good.
the food.
Yeah. Now the pigs, when they use in France
Right.
more, they're interested in the truffle. And that's a challenge because a pig gets very upset if you keep taking the truffle away from him.
Yes.
And then
correct.
ultimately they don't want to do truffle anymore if they don't get to eat the truffle.
Of course not.
But
But-
in Italy, pigs not allowed.
There are no pigs
They are banned
from truffle hunting.
from law. There is a national and regional law that regulates the hunting and say only trained dogs, no pigs anymore.
Now, Marco, if you want to go to Italy and go on a truffle hunt, how does that work? How do they get in touch with you and they can book?
Yeah, my website, there is my contact,
Yeah.
my phone, my mail, you can send me an email. I quote you the best price depending of the period of searching. It's important to know that we have different types.
How many people could go on a hunt with you?
Until 10 is okay.
Yeah.
One group. Then
group.
we can divide it in 2-3 groups. It depends. Because for me it's important to show the secret and to every people can see.
Yeah.
A big group is not okay because you don't understand where is the dog and how he
How's it working?
sniff, how his work.
What I was impressed by also, Marco is very conscious of the environment because he's digging up the truffle and then he replaces the earth back where the truffle came from and makes everything look natural again.
Yes, important to preserve, guys, the environment. Respect our nature. Respect the environment. The area is important. So the hunting is good if you cover, after keeping the product, you cover back the hole with the same soil to wait a new truffle again.
come
It's
again.
very important.
Yeah.
Yep.
And what makes them so expensive? Are they so rare? Is the season short? Is the yield small? What?
Follow the law of the request and demand, and the production is very low, considering the climate, considering the environment, and so the price is high because difficult to find. It's rare. It's not so common mushroom that you go and you see with your eyes. You need a dog. You need to get up very early in the morning. Hot, cold, ice, snow. You have to go.
Right. So if you go
It's a
on
work.
if you go on a truffle hunt, and say I came, a couple family members, maybe bring a family of 4.
Yeah.
Does everybody have to be in good shape? Is this is it strenuous to go on a truffle hunt with you, or is it easy?
It's easy because in general I choose a a easy walk, flat, not downhill slopes because it's dangerous. So I choose the best trip.
Right.
And so for children it's okay.
I see.
I can take young people. Why not? Why not?
And it'd be great. And it's a few hours, yes? You got a few
Yeah,
hours?
2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour. We can discuss.
And then maybe afterwards you have a nice little meal using some of the truffles. Huh?
Yeah, I have agriturismo when my mother is a good chef, and we then taste what we found.
Wow, doesn't that sound just great?
Nice. Where did this passion come from? Your family, your father, we see.
Yeah.
Generations?
It's just the second generation truffle hunters. My grandmother, my father, and I. So it's a
Oh, so nice.
family tradition.
Wow.
It started like an hobby and becomes a real job.
Wow. Marco, it sounds so great. If people want to know more about it, check out the website. It's called Villa Magna Tartufi.com.
Yeah, correct.
And if worse comes to worse, you can always go to YouTube and go to Nipper
Yeah, there are
VW.
some movies
Yeah,
in
you got-
English.
yeah, you got
They
movies.
open the site open in English, so easy to understand what we
What's
do.
a good search word in YouTube if they want to see it?
There are 3-4 movies.
With Marco Moroni?
Yeah, it's the channel is inside in my website.
Ah.
On below there is the
There you go.
channel.
You can watch it,
Great.
and then you can decide.
Ah,
I think it's
fun.
a it's a
Follow
amazing
us on
experience.
Facebook, Twitter.
There you go. All right.
Update.
Grazie. Mille
You're
grazie.
welcome. It's
All
a
right.
pleasure to be here.
And great to
Thank
great
you
to have
so
you.
much.
You're
That's
welcome,
great.
guys.
Okay, we're gonna take a break. When we come back, Russell Harman's gonna be joining us, and we're gonna be finding out. Russell Harman is gonna be telling us all about economical winter escapes.
Time to get
I have a
out.
hunch truffles are not involved in that part.
I don't think so.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Fun.
It's